Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka BJP ha Meghalaya kala pendap ya ka jinglum jingtem ka babnya lane ka survey haringkat ka jing ai jing ken ha ka bala pharu ya ka kaipot sya ka BJP sengkmi ha Delhi ka bala batai ki kaipot ki pen paw ba ka BJP kan job ha ki Tylli Haduh khatsan Tylli ki constituency ha ka ni ka election MLA arhajar arpulai habakren chikilat pathai khubor ha kasngi basaw ka khat khandai trek ukala lingkot arhajar arpulai ha shlem trekam ka BJP Shillong President ka BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Mauri Ïathuh bagi konstituensi ki badan jingkerman bahaban jom ki deki konstituensi ki bahab hanong ba Shillong ki konstituensi ki bahab Hatura ba Jakari Thor ha Garo Hills bat katu kat ni harilum jantia uba Mauri Ïathuh ba ya ka survey lale hi deki brio ka BJP bat ru da ka kunhun ka balong latluj uba Mauri Ïathuh ba ka BJP kan bu kertong lut habaro henry Tylli ki konstituensi hagani ka election MLA arhajar arpulai Ïathuh ru ba ka jing yakun ya kani ka election arhajar arpulai kala sedang da ka jing pendrum kerteng ki nong song snong panlong gi khot ka BJP ha ka ba ki kot kumba silak ngut tang ha pedang ki khendiat sngi da ka ba su ai mes call bat ki we ki rukam pendrum kerteng.
We have 2-3 agenda. Agenda number 1, they have asked us the report from all the northeastern state, those who are facing this coming general election. That is the Meghalaya, the Nagaland and the Tripura. So from the Meghalaya BJP, as a president, I have present the report in front of all the national office bearer, national president, and in the presence of Honorable Prime Minister, Union Minister, all they are present in the meeting. I have present that we are having total 60 seats, main 60 constituency, where we are having 13 districts, that is 11 administration district and 2 organization district, that is Shillong City and Pula City. And we are having here 36 mandal, including Khasi Giant Hills, and we are having 24 mandal in Garo Hills. Total voters I have present in my report. We have 21,61,000 voters, and from the party we have identified 32 seats, that is active seat, and the rest we have in the C category. And last election, that is 2018, we have got the vote share of 9.7%. But this time we have already conducted a survey in all the constituency, mandal wise. We have the chance of going up to 20 to 25% vote share. That is our survey. And in this election, from the party, after we conduct the survey, that is first phase, second phase, third phase survey, we are getting that the indication from the survey, we are going to win from 10 to 15 seats. That is our survey report. So at present, we are having 2 MLA only. Last election, we win only 2 seats. That is Punthor Bukhra by LF and 19 South by San Bosulai. And I have also given the report that some sitting MLA, now they have resigned, they have joined in our party. We have HM Champriang from the TMC, and we have Samuel Sangma from the UDP. We have Benedict R. Marak from NPP and Ferlin C. Sangma from the NPP. This is my report in the National Executive Council Committee. And you know, though we are a small state, but we are having a multiple political party, where I have tabled the report that we have here the NPP, the UDP, the HSPDP, the PDF, the TMC, the Congress, the BBP, those who are going to fight the election, including our party, the BJP. So we have started our election with the membership drive. Membership drive, we have been in the membership almost a month, and we have extended also for 2 weeks till 16 of this January. So we have the data with us where the membership drive which we have conducted recently, we have reached to almost 1 lakh people have joined in our party. That is missed call 65,176, UNP missed call 45,195, and some of them they have registered themselves as a members through the landing page. So total almost we are crossing 1 lakh. So this is the process where we are going to face this coming election. And I have already given the statement before also, we are going to contest in all the 60 seats. Where from the party, we have already notified the date receiving the application in plain paper from 8th of January till 15th of January. We have received almost from all the constituencies, all the mandal, the application from the candidate. Only few constituency left, which already some of the candidate approach us to contest the election.
Why so?
No, that is mean like the project seat. It is not that we are going to contest all the seat. It means that from the party, this seat which we are projecting, like this potential seat, because you see there will be a great national party A, B, C category. So this seat which I have already highlighted just now, it is a projected seat. Winnability chance is more in that seat.
But how many the party is targeting to win? How many seats? Because other political parties, they have expressed confidence that they will cross the halfway mark. But what about BJP?
We are expecting to win more than that. But you see, we are in line with the survey also. We'll just not go for just a press report or a piece of paper. We are working in the ground. So whatever report I have tabled in the Central Executive Committee meeting, that is fact.